Hi guys, hope you've already installed Java SDK in your laptops or computers. Today I'm gonna show you how to how to print something on the screen, and we will see Java's general syntax which we have to use in every program, every code while writing. So let's begin. Open your notepads. This is our class header and we have to give it a name. We can name it anything you like, or something that will tell about what you have written in the code. So I'm naming it as print statement. You have to keep it in mind that there is no space between it. You can use comment crest to for the readability of its name. And here is our main method. Every program have a main method and we are passing no arguments in it, and it is of void type, which means there is no return type. It will return nothing because the compiler automatically compiles its each statement one by one. This is I'm using a comment here. Comment is actually readability for the programmer. You can use double backslash, and you can also use backslash and star if you have to write long comments, but I'm writing single line comment. It is main method. I'm displaying I'm mentioning that this is the closing brace of main method and this is the closing brace of class. So now we have to display something on the screen. So here is our print statement. There are two print statements, one is print and one is println. There is difference between it and I'll show you what is its difference. This is our I'm gonna write how to print what to print on the screen. Every Java statement ends with semicolon. You have to keep it in mind, otherwise compiler will generate error while running or while compiling. So the program is complete. I have written ln statement and without ln statement, so this will display difference. Now you have to copy the name, paste it, and you have to save it with .java file. Open command prompt, changing directory, and now while you have to compile it and you have to write it Java C while compiling, and the name of the program with .java. It has been compiled successfully. Now we have to run it without writing .java with it. So here's the difference. You can see hello. After printing hello, the message, it will go to the next line, and after printing world, it will not go to the next line. So basically ln is used to go to the next line. See here, hello, and then it goes to the next line and it prints world. This is the in this video I have shown you general syntax. This is the general syntax without system statements. While writing code, you have to write this, always write this, and without this there is no Java code I've seen ever. So this is the end of my video. Hope you have liked it. For any query, please comment, and please subscribe my channel and share it to others. Thank you.